I'm just you. Come and cook with me. I'm just you. Come and cook with me. I'm just you. Come and cook. Come and cook. Hey everybody, what's going on? It's your girl Just T. Hope you guys are all doing awesome, having a very blessed day today. I have a nice little banger recipe for you. I got a nice recipe, y'all. I feel so silly today. I apologize for that. Now back to it. We're going to make some cilantro lime rice because I'm having burritos and stuff today. So what else better to go with that, right? Come on, some cilantro lime rice. So good. So in order to get that going, you are going to need some type of rice. Now, I'm using Uncle Ben's rice. You can use whatever rice you want to use. Also, you're going to need some onion. This is about a half of a white onion. And also, I'm going to use a chicken bouillon cube. You're going to need some limes, probably only one, but I have two just in case. Not really sure if I'm going to use them both or not, but we'll find out. And you're going to need some cilantro. Cilantro, how much you put in there is going to depend on your preference. If you want a lot of cilantro, put a lot. If you want a little, put a little bit. But that's about how much cilantro I'm going to cut up, and I'll see if I need more of that as well. So I'm going to go ahead. I have my water starting on the stove, and I'm going to cut up this cilantro, and I'll bring you guys back. Okay, guys, so we're going to go ahead and rinse off our rice. Just want to get all that starch on there off. So you're going to rinse it a couple times until that water gets clear. See, it's really cloudy right now because all that starch on there. Okay guys, so we're back. So I'm going to pour a little bit of canola oil. You can use olive oil, canola oil, vegetable oil, whatever it is that you like to use. So I'm going to pour that in there. I'm going to also go ahead and put my onion in. And I chop these onions up really, really small. You want to get them as fine as possible. And then I'm also going to add that 1 cup of rice in as well. And also what I'm going to do is that bouillon cube, I'm going to break that up in here as well. So you only want to cook this just for a couple minutes. Just trying to let everything come together, that onion come together with that rice. And I'm going to go ahead with my 2 cups of water. I'm going to bring this up to boil, and then I'm going to cover it with a lid, and then I'm going to turn it down to like medium and let it go for about 20 minutes. So just follow the directions for your rice on the box, all right? I'm also going to go ahead and sprinkle a little bit of salt in here, just a little bit, don't need a lot, because that bouillon cube has some salt in it as well. Okay, you guys, so my rice has come to a boil. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to cover it up, and I'm going to turn that down to medium, low. I'm going to probably keep it on like a medium. And then I'm just going to let that go for about 20 minutes. And then I'm going to take it off the eye, and then I'm going to just fluff it. And so now I'm just going to cut up the cilantro and just have that ready. You want to cut your cilantro up really small and fine. Or if you like it big, then, you know, that's your preference. Then do your thing. Okay, so now what I'm going to do, it's been 20 minutes. I'm going to turn off my eye. And then I'm going to keep it covered, but I'm just going to move it off that eye and let it just sit for another 10 minutes until all the liquid is absorbed and evaporated out of that rice. And then we'll come back and we'll finish the next steps. Okay, welcome back, everybody. So it's been 10 minutes that I let that set back there. So now we're going to go ahead and just finish it off. And I went ahead and I cut one of my limes in half. And now I'm just going to go ahead and get it into this juicer. And I'm going to just do one lime. I'm going to taste it and everything and see. So it's going to go ahead and get the juice out of this one. And reason being is because I didn't make a lot of rice. So yeah, if I made, you know, like I'd say like even adding another cup to what I have, I would probably maybe use both limes, but I'm just gonna do the one lime. And I'm gonna see where that is. All right, finish adding it. And then with the cilantro, just gonna go ahead and add that in there. And I'm gonna get my fork. Just fluff that rice up. Smells so good. Yeah, it smells really freaking good. That's basically it, guys. Like, it really is. It's basically it. Real quick and easy. Okay, everybody, welcome back. We are done with that cilantro lime rice, y'all, and I promise you, it is so freaking good. But anyways, you guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe, and as always, I hope you all stay forever blessed. It's just tea. Y'all really got to try that. I'm not even playing with you. Try that recipe. It's really awesome.